Ever wondered how to make the perfect Midnight Bliss cocktail? It's a refreshing mix of vodka, blackberry liqueur, blue curacao, cranberry juice, and lime juice. This cocktail creation is a visual treat, mirroring the beauty of a midnight sky. Begin by adding 2 ounces of vodka into a shaker. This spirit is vital for our Midnight Bliss cocktail. Now pour an ounce of blackberry liqueur into the mix. This fruity element wonderfully complements the vodka. Now, for the magical allure of the blue curacao. Add an ounce of this liqueur and cranberry juice. Pour half an ounce of lime juice and simple syrup each for balance. This citrusy twist brightens the overall flavor profile of our concoction. After combining these ingredients, it's time to shake it up. Introduce ice, then engage in a powerful, energetic shake. This action marries all components together and simultaneously chills the blend, resulting in a perfectly diluted, smooth-tasting refreshment. The shaking not only mixes the ingredients but also helps to chill and dilute the drink for a smoother taste. Once shaken, strain this celestial potion into a glass filled with ice. Add soda water for an effervescent touch, creating a delightful sparkle. Garnish with blackberries and lime slices, visual appeal and flavor, elevating your cocktail from good to extraordinary. And there you have it, the Midnight Bliss cocktail, enchanting and flavorful. This cocktail is a perfect balance of sweet, tart, and spirited, a drink to savor the night, one blissful sip at a time. Cheers!